Myself as kind of a professional Rubik's Cuber, but I'm only taking in consideration this, this, and this. I'm not taking in consideration actually solving the flipping thing. So today I'm going to learn how. Apparently. This apparently teaches you. Hopefully it teaches me well. Okay. Make sure to keep on your device's sound. Okay, it's on. Let's get to know the cube before we dive into solving it. Center pieces never move, no matter how much you shuffle the cube. Got it. Opposite of yellow. That's white. Edge pieces. Edge pieces always lie between center pieces and they have only two colors. Okay. How many edge pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Wait. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hey, I did it. The corner piece. How many corner pieces? Oh my gosh, every time you turn it, you get more confetti? Oh, never mind. Got it. Next up, notations. Those games actually helped me learn what those are. So, got it. This is you. Up, left, front, down, right, back. Okay, I know what they stand for. Boom, 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 boom. Oops. Boom, boom, boom. So the apostrophe makes it counterclockwise. Oops. 2 means you should rotate that face twice. The direction is not important? Well, that's cool. Full algorithm? Okay. Right hand. Okay. Looks cool. Dun 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 dun. I did it backwards. Try that again. Okay. Oh wait, I just misplaced my whole cube. Okay. R, U, R, U. Got it.
Instead of using the right hand like so, and so, and so, there's a much better way. Try the following. Place your 3 right fingers on the top 3 layers, like this, and your thumb on the bottom. Now, rotate to the right, and with your index finger, flick the top face, like so. Now rotate the right face back, and lastly, with your left finger, flick the top face back. Let's do it again. Fingers on top, right turn, use the right finger for the top, right goes back, and left finger to complete the move.
Now. No. Don't tell me I got it. Okay, I'm never going into the lesson tab again. It literally just reset my entire thing. I'm all the way back at square one.